Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Beta 450 RX. Engine and power. The 2025 Beta 450 RX is powered by a 449 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine with double overhead cam and electronic fuel injection. It delivers around 58 horsepower on the aggressive Sun map and about 54 horsepower on the smoother Cloud map, giving riders the choice between raw power and smoother control. Torque reaches about 47 Newton-meters, making it strong in the mid-range. Chassis and suspension. The bike uses a chromoly steel frame with an aluminum subframe for strength and lightness. Suspension is handled by KYB, with a 48mm closed cartridge fork in the front and a progressive linkage rear shock. These updates improve stability and handling on motocross tracks. Brakes and controls. Braking comes from Nissan calipers with wave rotors. Beta also added useful features like upgraded foot pegs, a tool-less airbox, and X-Trig FlexFix handlebar mounts that reduce vibration. The larger battery ensures faster and more reliable starts. Weight and handling. Weighing just 108 kilograms dry, the 450 RX is light and agile but still stable at speed. Riders also get multiple throttle cam options and traction control for different riding conditions. Strengths and weaknesses. Riders praise its smooth power delivery, mid-range performance, and stylish design. However, some note its tall seat height, wide fuel tank, and slightly more vibration compared to Japanese rivals. Final verdict. Overall, the 2025 Beta 450 RX is a race-ready motocross machine with a focus on rideability, premium components, and unique Italian styling, a perfect choice for riders who want something different from the mainstream. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.